Oh.
Okay, we are going to proceed with the U10 division. We don't want the kids to cool down too much. The weather is good as well and everyone has had ample rest. We have the playoffs happening next. Based on the ranking, if you did check out the scores, we have 4 teams, all 4 teams going into this next round. The first game is between Dolphins FC and Forza Negros. Dolphins FC and Forza Negros. You are the first match in the playoffs. And the last match for the playoffs is Jesusa Kids versus Forza Manila. Dolphins FC versus Forza Negros, followed by Jesusa Kids FC versus Forza Manila. Referees, we can start the Dolphins game versus Forza Negros in 2 minutes. Coaches and players, please be ready. Once we are done with these divisions, we will go to the awarding immediately.
Uy. Patay. Yes! Yes! Umuy ba? Miguel. Kahumoy lang. Nice. Uy. Kasi pa.
Staging coach A.
Patay! Nice look! Good job, look! Woo! Nice look! Nice! 2-0 na. Isa pa!
Just a reminder to the U10 teams, these are your last matches already. So the matches that we just announced, it is your final match for the day, okay? When the Messy Magicians division is over, we'll also be doing the parents exhibition game. So those parents who have not signed up for a fun, friendly adult match, please don't forget to sign up here at the registration booth. Paging Jolene.
Patay na. Patay. Goal! Woo! Nice, girl!
In the event of a draw, during the playoffs for U10.
Patay.
There will be 3
Patay.
penalty kickers. If still a tie after that, then sudden death. Negros, Forza Negros versus Dolphins FC. Let's begin your match for the first match of the playoffs.
Kanugon. Bernard Tani.
Coach Abe, we're just looking for the bibs for the adults. The big one. It's not here.
Nice, Nick.
We would like to request the owner of NFG 8733, plate number, color of vehicle is silver, fortunate. Please kindly transfer
Gawin pa kami.
vehicle.
Gawin pa kami. Solve po. Ay, kanugon. Enzo. Pasa na! Ay, kanugon! Shit!